How to turn on or turn off live captions on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down. In here, tap on Live Captions. And then at the top, tap on the Live Captions toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once you have switched it on, there is a button here. It will appear. You can align it to the right side of the screen, or you can align it to the left side of the screen. Now tap on it, that will open up your live captions. You can also tap on the full screen button, or you can minimize it. So once it is in the window, you can drag it along like that. And here you can choose the microphone, iPhone audio, or you can pause listening. Here I can resume listening, and that is live captioning on the iPhone 16 series. Here you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.